Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change or customize your passcode or the transaction pins into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change that, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet. Then after that, this homepage will appear. Now you just simply have to select into that three circles icon into the top left corner. Tap into that and then select the advanced setting. Now into advanced setting, you will get these two options. First one is biometric payment and second one is passwordless payment. Now you can choose between these two options in order to enable or customize the payment pins or passcode. But each time you enable or disable the toggle, you will have to enter your biometrics or passcode. Just simply select any of the suitable option or both of them, and after that you can easily enable these features. Now each time you make your payment through Bitget Wallet, either you have to enter your biometrics and you can directly transfer without entering the payment if you disable this both toggle. From here, you can easily customize it. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.